Hello lovely yogi, welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya and today I'm bringing you a quick Vinyasa flow that works on the entire body. So if you're short on time but you want to practice some total body yoga, come flow with me. We'll begin in child's pose. Bring your big toes together and take your knees wide. As you sink your upper body towards your mat, extend your arms out long. Take a deep breath in, drop your jaw, and let it all go. Take this time to settle in, to tune out the outer noise. To bring your awareness within the four corners of your mat. Take another deep breath in and release it through your mouth. And then seal your lips as you continue to breathe in and out through your nose. On your next exhale, walk both palms over to the right edge of your mat, feeling a stretch in the left side of your body. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale as you walk your palms towards the left edge of your mat. Sink your right hip just a little bit lower towards your heel. Inhale your way back to center. Press yourself up into a tabletop. Take your time here, shifting, adjusting, and then take some circles with your hips. Going in one direction. And then switching to the opposite direction. Go as slow as you need to, just noticing and feeling every part of your body here. Come back to center, shift slightly forward. Exhale, tuck your toes under and shift your hips towards your heels. Inhale, shift forward, exhale and shift back. Just bringing movement into your body here. Come back to center and we'll practice some diaphragmatic breathing here. Inhale, let your belly drop low. As you exhale, hug everything in, engaging your core. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, squeeze everything in. As you exhale, draw your belly button towards your spine. Inhale and release. Exhale, engage your core. Try to keep this type of core engagement throughout the rest of your practice. Inhale, release one more time. Exhale and engage your core. Now send your right leg back, toes touch the ground, and then begin to shift forward and back or side to side. Exhale as you bring your right knee back in. Inhale, send the left leg back. Again, you can find movement here or find stillness, whatever feels good in your body. Exhale as you bring your left knee back underneath your hip, and then press yourself up and back into your downward facing dog. Pedal out your feet here, taking your time, noticing any sensations coming up in your body. Inhale into your high heels. Exhale, lower the heels down. Inhale, bend the knees and look forward. Exhale as you step to the top of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway. Breathe here. Exhale and fold forward. You can always bend your knees here or take your feet wide if you need to. Feel a stretch in the backs of your legs. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Look slightly ahead of the top of your mat. Exhale and fold once more. Inhale, rise up gently and smoothly, bringing your arms up. Exhale, palms to heart center. Inhale the palms up. Exhale and fold forward once more. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale as you plant your palms, step your right leg back, lower the knee. Inhale, lift your arms into your low lunge. Exhale, frame the left foot as you begin to straighten out the front leg. You can tuck your back toes under for balance. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale and shift back. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale into your half splits. Inhale, shift forward, lift your heart. Exhale into your half splits. We'll pause here for a few breaths. Make any adjustments you need to. As you feel an intense stretch at the back of your left leg. Point your toes towards your nose to deepen the stretch. Inhale, bend the left knee and shift forward. Exhale as you step back to your plank. You can always lower onto your knees. Lower down halfway or all the way. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale to your downward facing dog. This is your Vinyasa. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale and step it forward. Lower the left knee down. Inhale your arms up, keeping your core engaged. Low lunge. Breathe here. Exhale as you frame your right foot, straighten out the right knee, shift back. Inhale and shift forward, exhale and shift back. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, fold as you straighten out the right leg. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale into your half splits. And one more inhale forward. Exhale. This time we'll pause in half splits. Again, make any adjustments you need to here. Think about keeping your hips aligned with each other. Find your balance. You can always use blocks to place your palms on. Inhale, look forward, bend the right knee, shift forward. Exhale, step back to your downward facing dog. Inhale, shift forward to your plank, lower down halfway or all the way. Inhale your heart up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Vinyasa is always an option, so take it however it works for you, or just step back to your downward dog. Inhale, bend the knees, look forward. Exhale, step, hop, or jump to the top of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold. Inhale, rise up all the way, palms reach high. Exhale and fold forward once more. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms. This time, step your left leg back and turn towards the long edge of your mat. Point your toes towards the corners of your mat, and then gently moving from your core, rise up, bend the knees, sinking into your goddess pose. Inhale, straighten out the legs. Exhale, bend the knees. Inhale, straighten out the legs. Exhale, goddess pose. Inhale, straighten the legs. Exhale, bend the knees. This time we'll pause here in goddess pose. You can place your palms on your thighs and drop your right shoulder in, pressing your right thigh out. Inhale back to center. We'll take that on the opposite side. Gentle twist. Exhale, plant your palms down. Walk your palms towards your left foot and step to the back of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, rise all the way up. Palms reach high and then come to heart center. Inhale the palms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms. Step your right leg back. This time turning towards the long edge of your mat, but turning your toes in slightly towards each other, heels slightly out. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold forward for your wide leg forward fold. Your palms can reach for the mat, elbows bent, onto blocks, or even just grab onto opposite ankles, shins, or thighs. Inhale, lift up halfway, and then walk your palms towards your right foot, stepping the left foot forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Palms come to heart center. Inhale the arms up. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back to your plank, and meet me in downward facing dog, Vinyasa or not. Breathe here. On your next exhale, walk your feet forward, cross at the ankles, and take a seat. Bring the soles of your feet together, let your knees go out wide. We'll take butterfly pose next. You can have your heels as close or far away from your body as you need to. Shift your hips to find your sit bones firmly on the mat. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Stay here if you'd like, or exhale and begin to fold forward. Deepen your breath. Slow it down a little. If your elbows reach your thighs, you can gently use them to press your thighs lower down. Inhale, gently engage your core as you lift your torso. Straighten out the legs. Again, shift your hips if you need to find your sit bones on the mat, and place your palms by your hips. Flex your toes towards your nose and lengthen your spine, Dandasana. Engage your core here. You can always place your palms on blocks if needed. Breathe in and out. Strength through your legs. Exhale and release. Shake out your legs. Bend your knees as you shift your hips to the center of your mat. Exhale, lower down onto your back. Bend the knees, walk your heels towards your glutes. Inhale as you lift your hips up for bridge pose. Use your entire body here. Option to interlace your fingers underneath you. Squeezing the air between your thighs, pressing down through your feet. Exhale, lower down gently. Hug your knees in towards your chest, and then reach for your toes, shins, or the backs of your thighs, and find your happy baby pose. Knees come in towards the armpits. You can find stillness here, or find some gentle movement, maybe rocking side to side. Exhale, release, placing your palms on your knees. Take your hips in circles in one direction. And then switch to the opposite direction, massaging your lower back. Exhale, place your feet down. And then let both knees drop towards your left. Extend your right arm out to the right. And turn your chin towards your right shoulder. Gentle twist. Inhale your knees back to center. Exhale them to the opposite side. Turn your chin towards your left shoulder. Extend the left arm out to the left. Again, just a gentle twist here. Inhale your way back to center. Extend your legs out long. Let your feet fall open, palms by your side, facing up. Take a deep breath in through the nose and let it all go through the mouth as you melt into your mat for your final resting pose. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Turn over to one side. Pause for a breath or two. And then press yourself up into a seat. Any seat that's comfortable. Bringing your palms to heart center. Take one more deep breath in through the nose and let it all go through the mouth. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed that flow, and if you did, it would mean a lot to me if you click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. It also helps my channel grow when you share this video with those you care about or on social media. If you do share it on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. As always, the mat I was practicing on, any props we used, and the clothing I'm wearing will all be linked in the description bar below in case you're interested. If you want to pair this flow with another Vinyasa flow, check out this playlist right here. You'll also find yin yoga and relaxing yoga on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.